Alright, so if you're having trouble logging into Scribd, yeah, that can be really frustrating, but most login issues are pretty easy to fix once you know what to check. Let's step by step. First, double check your email and password. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using your email. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can block login requests. If you signed up with Google or Facebook, try logging in with the same method instead of email. Clear your browser cache or app cache to remove any temporary glitches. Make sure your Scribd app or browser is updated to the latest version. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. It can sometimes block login access. Make sure your account is not suspended or restricted due to unusual activity. Try logging in from another device to see if the issue is device-related. If nothing works, contact Scribd support and explain your issue. And yeah, that's how you fix Scribd login issues. One of these steps should get you back into your account quickly.